Hello everyone, welcome back to our data analytics journey. I am Jaisa, currently pursuing information technology and my goal is to become a data analytics. Today we will going to clean and prepare a simple employee data set using Python. Data cleaning is a crucial step in any data analysis process. It ensures your data is accurate and ready for analysis. We will use Python and the Panda library to demonstrate this. First of all, we import the library import pandas spd. Now let's create our sample data directly in the code. For that, first of all, I write here create a sample data set. Now first data equals to pd dot data frame. Now first I simply write uh, so here our data id, name, position and salary. In the previous video, this dataset is used in SQL. So if you miss this video, then check out link in the description. Now simply run this code and here's our dataset. Now as you can see, we have a small dataset with employee information. First let's check for any missing values. For that, check for missing values. For that, simply write print data dot is null dot sum. Now simply run this and here the zero null value, zero name, zero, so our data set is now perfect. Now next, in this example there are no missing value, but if there were, we could fill them with the specific value or drop the row. Now fill missing the value if there will be any data dot fill n in place. Here this equals to true. Now let's remove any duplicate row to ensure our analysis isn't skewed by repeat data. For that, has remove duplicate values. Now simply write data dot drop data dot drop duplicate in place true. Print data. Now simply run this. Here the error true. Just a minute. So our there is a no duplicate value in this table. So another common task is transforming data. For instance, let's ensure that all position title are in lowercase or for consistency. For that, transform text data to lowercase. So write data position equals to data position dot string str dot lower. Wait a minute. Now print data. Simply run this and hit run. Now here the one error, your position. So here the value. All is in data small lowercase. Now here is a D capital A capital. Now it's in lowercase. We can also create new column based on the existing data. Let's create a column that indicate whether the salary is above or below 1 lakh. For that, first of all, create a new column based on salary. Now write data high salary high salary, it's equal to data salary. Now salary is S capital, so make sure to uh, write in proper manner. Now greater than 1 lakh. Simply run this, and here the value is 1 lakh, it's true. If below 1 lakh, then it's false. Now finally let's save our clean data set to new CSV file. For save the CSV file, we can write first of all save clean data set. Now write data dot save, sorry, data to CSV clean employee employee data dot CSV. Now comma in index equals to false. F capital, sorry. Now run this. Here our file is now saved. And that's it. We covered the basics of data cleaning and preparing in Python using our sample employee dataset. Practice this technique on your own dataset and see how they can make a difference in your analysis. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next video.